have just about like 12 minutes before I have to leave the house. I was gonna use my ColourPop face. I cleansed it. Hormones, am I right? This is literally all I'll do for my brows, and I'll let it set. I won't fill them in or anything. This right here, I had an allergic reaction. I try my best to match my neck with my true color right here. It's now a part of me. My face is primed. This primer, good. And it dried pretty quickly. It feels a little minty. I like that. To use Pretty Fresh in medium dark. It's too like very thick foundation, so this is a little bit more on the thinner side. Oh, this is my color. I'm gonna use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. This is also in medium dark. Yeah, you okay? That's my baby. Look at that. I'm gonna turn that into a mole. I'm not gonna do like a baking or anything. This is called New to You, but I love blush. I do like blush on my nose. Silver Strand Beach. I like bronzer here. This is in Boombox. Just do a little bit of highlighter. Mascara. This is good. Brown. This is brown, and I got it by accident, but I'm not mad at it. They look almost identical. Oh no, not on camera. I'm going to use this one. This one is called Control. Floating on air. Spray me, baby. Let me clean this mascara up 1 second. A pimple will never stop my show. I actually did have a mole here. That looks crazy. Yo, when'd you get that mole? And I'm like, hey, mind your business. This is all that I would do if I'm like rushing or if I have somewhere to be. This mole looks crazy. Excuse me 1 second. It won't come off. Oh, yeah. All right. Have a good day, guys. Bye.